Philodendron El Choco Red, unveiling the velvet jewel. Hi everyone, Ferg here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Philodendron El Choco Red. This rare beauty has taken the houseplant community by storm with its stunning, velvety foliage and captivating color play. If you're considering welcoming an El Choco Red into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will unveil everything you need to know about this unique philodendron, from its characteristics and care needs to its potential lookalikes. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the El Choco Red stand out? The El Choco Red boasts heart-shaped leaves with a deep, velvety green sheen on the upper surface. The true magic lies beneath, where the leaves reveal a mesmerizing burgundy to red undertone. This captivating contrast, along with prominent light green veins, creates a truly mesmerizing display. Is the El Choco Red a climber? Absolutely. Like most philodendrons, the El Choco Red possesses a climbing nature. In its natural habitat, it would scale trees and structures. Indoors, you can provide support using a moss pole or trellis. This allows the plant to mature gracefully, showcasing its cascading foliage. Light requirements, unveiling the El Choco Red sun preferences. El Choco Reds thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun exposure can scorch the delicate leaves. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of filtered sunlight daily. East-facing windows are ideal, providing gentle morning light. If your home lacks sufficient natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights. Watering needs, finding the balance for El Choco Red. El Choco Reds prefer consistently moist, but not soggy, soil. The key is to water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Empty any water that accumulates in the drainage tray. Humidity, keeping your El Choco Red happy. These tropical wonders favor moderate to high humidity levels, around 75%. If your home is on the drier side, consider using a humidifier or placing your El Choco Red on a pebble tray filled with water. Grouping plants together can also help boost humidity. Temperature, maintaining the El Choco Red's comfort zone. El Choco Reds appreciate warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near cold drafts or air conditioners. Fertilizing, providing nourishment for your El Choco Red. During the active growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. During fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilization altogether. Philodendron El Choco Red versus Verrucosum. There's some debate surrounding the El Choco Red's classification. Some believe it's a distinct philodendron variety, while others consider it a form 5, of the Philodendron Verrucosum. While visually similar, with heart-shaped velvety leaves, there are subtle differences. The El Choco Red typically has thinner, smoother leaves with a more pronounced red undertone. In contrast, the Verrucosum features a slightly textured, rippled leaf surface and a more subtle reddish hue. Additionally, the Verrucosum stem is often covered in fine hairs, a characteristic absent in the El Choco Red. Common issues and how to address them. Brown spots on leaves, this could be caused by sunburn, overwatering, or lack of humidity. Adjust watering habits, move the plant to a location with indirect sunlight, and consider increasing humidity. Drooping leaves, this usually indicates underwatering. Water the plant deeply and allow excess water to drain. Pests, inspect your plant regularly for mealybugs, spider mites, or scale. If you see any signs of infestation, treat with an insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Final thoughts, embracing the El Choco Red's allure. The Philodendron El Choco Red is a captivating houseplant with unique characteristics and stunning visual appeal. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving El Choco Red that will become a cherished centerpiece in your home. Remember, happy planting!